Hello friends, I Purushottam Maurya welcomes you on this A to Z exam group platform. Today we will discuss about the area of circle. So let's start. Now this is a diagram of circle, right friends? So the line joining point this E and this point C is called diameter, right? And this at O to point C or O to point E, which is equidistant, and O point called the center of the circle. So it is called a radius. Radius is a length of that line which joins from center to circumference, right friends? And this can be equal in all the directions, right? Either any other direction, right friends? Similarly, the diameter is a line which joins two points on the circumference and passing from center. So we find a very important relation in this case, that radius radius equal to d by 2, means diameter का आधा होती है, is half of diameter. Or friends, diameter is twice of radius, twice of radius, right friends? Similarly, is chord. Chord is a line. It is AB. In this case, it is called chord. And how chord different than diameter? Chord never passes from center of the circle. Never passes. So a chord whose length is always less than diameter. Chord की length जो है diameter से हमेशा कम होगी, and whenever its length equal to diameter, it will not remain chord. It will become diameter of the circle. Right, friends? And the next thing is circumference. Circumference, friends, it is called outer periphery. This outer periphery is called the circumference of the circle, and it is 2 pi r. You can write it pi into 2r or pi into d units. And area of the circle is area of circle is pi into r square or pi into d by 2 whole square, pi d square by 4, right friends? Unit square. So friends, now come on to next figure. This is right friends. So in this case you will find very interesting thing. There are two circles, right? Let's radius it is r1, and our outer one, that's its radius is. So let's assume that you have to find out the area of this region, right? This yellowish region, जो yellowish region है, आपको इसका एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है. तो आप कैसे इसका एरिया फाइंड आउट करोगे? Simply you can do this to find area. You have to find the area of the larger circle, then subtract the area of the smaller circle, and this will find this. So now start the calculation, right friends? So area of larger circle, and that is, simply take it as a2 equal to pi r2 square, and area of smaller circle, it is a1 and it is pi r1 square. So area of the shaded region, area of part, right friends? So this will be equal to pi r2 square minus pi r1 square, or you can write it as a equal to pi into r2 square minus r1 square. So a equal to pi into r2 minus r. And in the second bracket it is r2 plus r1. Right friends? So I hope that this will be clear to you. And now friends, let's move to the next. Now let us see some questions. So let us see. Right friends, the question is, now simply take this diagram. Try to solve. Just right, and one, and simply right hands. Radius of all the circles are same. It is 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 4 centimeter. Right hands. So you have to find out the area of this shaded region. This region, this LOS region, you have to find out this. Right hand. Then how you will approach this question? And the total length of this is 30 centimeter, and this is 4 centimeter. Right friends? Simple. So calculate the area of this rectangle. Area of rectangle. The area of rectangle is 30 into 4 minus area of this circles. So twice of, you can see simply 2.5 multiply 3.14 r square. R it is 4 square. Right? So if you solve all these, you will get the desired result. Similarly, friends, now let us see one more question. A rectangle is given to us, right friends? Uh, right friends, and now just 4 circles are over there. let us students try to understand. The figure is like this, right? अब इसको आपस में टेस्ट करा लीजिए। बैटरी है आपकी और आपको निकालना क्या है, ये जो एलोइज पोर्शन है, राइट, ये बचा हुआ पोर्शन है इसका इसका ये आपको निकालना है। तो कैसे करेंगे, इसमें हमें जो फिगर गिवन है ABCD, इसकी जो डायमेंशन है 28 सेंटीमीटर है और अब इसकी जो सर्कल्स हो जाएंगे, है ना, तो कितनी ही ये डायमीटर आपको हो जाएगा 14, राइट फ्रेंड्स, हो जाएगा 14। तो रेडियस कितनी हो जाएगी 7 सेंटीमीटर सिंपली। तो आपका जो एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन होगा, एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन, ये आपका हो जाएगा सिंपली, एरिया आपका जो शेडेड रीजन हो जाएगा 28 इंटू 28, 4 टाइम्स 4, सॉरी ये हो जाएगा 4 इंटू पाई 22 बाई 7 इंटू आर स्क्वायर इक्वल्स स्क्वायर। तो 28 इंटू 28 माइनस 1 7 कट जाएगा, 28 इंटू 28, तो कैलकुलेशन बहुत सिंपल हो सकती है। 28 का आप कॉमन ले लीजिए, 28 माइनस 22 ये आपको हो जाएगा 6, 28 इंटू 6 मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, 6 इंजा 48 और 16 यूनिट स्क्वायर। Right friends, so I hope this is clear to you, and in next class we will solve some more questions. So dear friends, if this lecture will useful for your examination, then share in your friends and subscribe this channel for latest notification. Thank you class.